Oh, I knew you would call back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just sneak in slow.
Yes, that was me modeling my DIY posh ripped shorts. I'm so excited and I can't wait for you to try it. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Rosalicious. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today is another DIY. I thought of why not update my style and do a little bit makeover. So I found this super cute shorts that I really love to wear, and now I just forget about it. I've decided to glam it up a little bit and add some pearls, crystals, diamonds on it. So please keep watching if you want to know how I did it. You don't need a lot to do this DIY. All you need are pearls or diamonds, whatever is your preference. That will do. Nylon to make a bracelet. In case you can't find your nylon, you can totally use the fishing hook. I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but that's the only thing that I could find. That will be totally okay. Find yourself some good old ripped shorts or jeans. Don't forget your basic needs: the scissors, thread, needle, and pliers. Pliers is optional depending if you purchase a bangle like I did. I've linked all the items that I've used in this DIY, so check out the description box. My pearls and diamonds are in a bangle, so I have to remove them and transfer it to the nylon. If you have a different scenario, skip this part and go directly to hooking it onto the nylon. Be creative and do whatever your heart desire. For me, I started with diamonds, like 4 pieces of diamonds. I added pearls and another diamonds, so that will be on the top part, and then the rest will be all pearls. I pre-made this accessory earlier today, and what I'm doing now is I'm measuring the length of the bracelet before I knot it. But I've already measured it, so this is just a demonstration purposes only. If you want the accessory longer than the ripped, that's totally fine. It's up to you guys. On to the next step. Now I'm making my second set of accessory or bracelet. It took me about 2 hours to finish the DIY. If I wasn't filming, maybe it took me an hour. It's really easy to make, and you just need to focus and dedicate your time so that you could save time and energy. Before I start sewing, I laid out the design that I wanted to go for, just to make sure that it is what I wanted it to be. I added a smaller accessories for the small ribs on the left side, and I did add some diamonds too because it looks like kind of simple. My goal is to make these shorts really fab and expensive. Sew time! Hanging there, we're almost done. I promise you. So, I started sewing the end side of the accessory or bracelet, then start sewing from the bad side and do it for 3 to 4 times and sew the other side. Honestly, I'm confused with sew and sew. So, Sue, seashells, shoo, 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 shoo.
Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy.
And that's it. It's so easy to make. I'm sure you can do it in an hour. By the way, I'm wearing Lazenza pajamas. Looking so posh with my DIY shorts. The pearls and the crystals, or the diamonds. Look at that. Ready for mall, baby. Let's go shopping. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not. Subscribe. Thank you so much.